Hello students, welcome back to 6th session on consignment account. This session onwards we are concentrating on problems on consignment. We just look at first problem, try to understand. Before solving problem, you must be very clear with regard to journal entries need to be passed in the books of consignor as well as consignee, which we have already studied twice. Once in 4th and 5th session and again in revised session. We just look at the first problem. Lion sent 100 bicycle costing 2000 each to Tiger. So Lion sent 100 bicycle to Tiger. So Lion is a consignor, Tiger is a consignee. To be sold at his risk. Whose risk? Lion's risk, means consignor's risk. Tiger was to get commission of 6% on bicycle sold. Tiger means consignee will get commission of 6% on bicycle. Lion paid 4,000 towards freight and insurance. Tiger took delivery of consignment by paying rupees 1,000 for carriage and unloading and rupees 2,000 for salesman's salary and golden rent. See, Lion means consignor. Consignor incurred 4,000 towards freight and insurance. Whenever you have expenses incurred by the consignor, you just check it out whether the expenses incurred by consignor is recurring or non-recurring. Because I have already informed you, you need to by heart which expenses are recurring to consignor, which expenses are non-recurring to consignor. At the same time, which expenses are recurring to consignee, which expenses are non-recurring to consignee. Get by heart of it. Tiger took delivery of consignment. Tiger means consignee took delivery by paying 1,000 carriage and unloading. See again, consignee incurred expenses. You need to check it out whether it is recurring or non-recurring. If not useful to this problem, it is useful for next problem. Try to understand. Rupees 2,000 for salesman salary and go down rent. So again, Tiger incurred salesman salary and go down rent of 2,000. Tiger sold 50 bicycle for rupees 2,250 each for cash and 50 bicycle on credit at rupees 2,400 each. Tiger settled his account with Lion. See, he sold entire goods sent by Lion because 100 bicycles were sent by Lion. Tiger sold 50 bicycles for cash and 50 bicycles for credit. So means there won't be any closing stock lies with the Tiger. Tiger means consignee at the end of an accounting period. That's a very important thing to be noted. So Tiger settled his account with Lion. Means whatever amount need to be payable by Tiger to Lion is settled by Tiger. Prepare consignment account in the books of Lion. We need to prepare consignment account in the books of consignor. Just remember what are all journal entries we discussed in the books of consignor. The first journal entry we concentrated was recording opening stock in the books of consignor. What's the journal entry? Consignment account data to consignment stock account. There is no opening stock lies with the consignee. That should be recorded in the books of consignor. What's the journal entry? Consignment account data to consignment stock account. There was no such thing. So there is no entry for opening stock. Then the second journal entry we studied was goods sent. Yes, Lion sent 100 bicycle at cost to Tiger. At cost, not at invoice price. So if it is at invoice price, in addition to certain journal entries we discussed in consignor book, we need to pass 4 extra journal entries that we discussed already. But here it is not at invoice price but at cost price. So that's why whenever consignor send goods to consignee, journal entry in the books of consignor is consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account. 100 bicycle into 2,000, totally 2 lakh. So then Tiger was to get a commission at 6% bicycle sold. So Tiger need to get a commission of 6% on bicycle sold. So you do one thing, you pass journal entry but don't record the amount, because if you are not passing now, if you keep it aside at the till the end, so you may forget. That's why what I will do is I will pass an entry for amount due, that is commission due to consignee in the books of consignor, but I will record the amount later. What's the journal entry for commission due in the books of consignor? Journal entry is consignment account data to consignee account. Consignment account data to Tiger's account. Bracket, in bracket commission due. I have not filled the amount column. See, you don't consider this 13,950 now. I just recorded consignment account data to Tiger's account. just to avoid me forgetting this item later. That's why I passed entry, I have not recorded the amount. Lion paid 4,000 towards frightened insurance. Who is Lion? Consigner. When consigner incurs expenses, what's the journal entry? Consignment account debtor to cash. So to cash in the books of consigner. 4,000 bracket. You need to write frightened insurance. Tiger took delivery of consignment by paying 1,000 for carriage and unloading, 2,000 for salesman salary and godown rent. So what's the journal entry? Journal entry is when consignee pays expenses or incurs expenses, journal entry is consignment account debtor to consignee's account. So consignment account debtor to Tiger's account. So what journal entry we pass for commission due, same journal entry we pass for expenses incurred by consignee. What's the journal entry? Consignment account debtor to Tiger's account. In bracket, 1,000 for carriage and unloading, 2,000 for salesman salary and godown. Totally in amount column you need to write 3,000. Then see, you need to read one sentence and immediately you need to pass journal entry in the books of consignor, because they asked us in the books of consignor we need to prepare consignment account. Then Tiger means consignee sold 50 bicycle for 2,250 for cash, 50 bicycle on credit. So whenever consignee sells goods sent by consignor, immediately he will send account sales, that is known as sales report. That sales report was received by Lion, so that should be recorded. Journal entry for sales made by consignee in the books of consignee account debtor to consignment account, both cash sales and credit sales. 50 into 2,250, 50 into 2,400, totally 2,32,500. Then Tiger settled his account with Lion. So to know what is the amount settled by consignee to consignor, we need to prepare consignee account in the books of consignor. Try to understand. They have not asked us to prepare consignee's account. That's why this sentence I am not considering while preparing consignment account. Try to understand which sentence. Consignee settled his account with Lion, means consignor. So it means whatever amount due from consignee is settled by consignee to consignor. This entry will be recorded in the books of consignor, not in consignment account but in consignee's account. They have not asked us to prepare consignee's account. That's why this sentence I am not taking into consideration. In future problem we will come to know how to prepare consignee account also. In the same way, if you know journal entry, it's so easy to post entries from journal to consignment account, journal to consignee's account in the books of consignor. So prepare consignment account. So we passed entry for goods sent as there was no opening stock. We passed entry for commission due. We passed entry for expenses incurred by consignor. We passed entry for expenses incurred by consignee. We passed entry for sales effected by consignee. We need not pass entry for settlement of account by consignee to consignor because we are not preparing consignee's account. Now we have passed entry for commission. We have not calculated. What is the commission? 6% on sales. So sales, just now we came to know that it is 2,32,500. So this, they have not specified what type of commission it is. It is ordinary commission. Whatever percentage of sales, percentage of commission given on sales affected by consignee, affected by consignee, that commission is known as ordinary commission. We have not filled the amount column. So 2 lakh total sales affected by consignee into percentage of commission 6%. So totally it will become 13,950. So we passed all entries in the books of consignor, particularly in consignment account. They have not asked us to prepare consignee. Otherwise we need to prepare consignee account also in the books of consignor. So the balancing figure, we need to calculate whether the debit side is more than the credit side or credit side is more than the debit side. In this problem, credit side is more than the debit side. So there is a profit. That consignment means because of this consignment, consignor earned profit of 11,550. Journal entry, consignment account debtor to profit and loss account. So that we are closing consignment account. This is how to prepare. ಕೇಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾವೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ಸೈನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾದ್ರೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಾರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಬುಕ್ ಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಸಾರಿ ಯಾರ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎರಡು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದು ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸೈನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇದು ಮೂರು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದ, ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೆಲವೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುದು, ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಎನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ illustration 2. Ramraj Limited sent 100 bicycle, again bicycle problem, costing rupees 2,500 each to Jairaj Limited. Ramraj is consignor, Jairaj is consignee. 100 ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ 2,500 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಟು ಬಿ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್. So it is very clear that consignee will sell goods on behalf of consignor at his place at the risk of consignor. Was to get a commission of 6% on bicycles sold. ಅವನಿಗೆ 6% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ರಾಮರಾಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ರಾಮರಾಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್, 6,000 towards freight and insurance. Jairaj Limited to delivery by paying 2,000 for carriage and 4,000 for salesman salary, godown rent. Jairaj Limited sold 50 bicycle at rupees 2,000 for cash, 30 bicycle at rupees 3,000 on credit. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು 100, but sold how much? 50 plus 30, 80. So there is unsold goods lies with Jairaj, means consignee, at the end of year to the extent of 20 bicycle. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು 100 ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂತೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯವೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು 100 ಆದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಖಾಲಿ 80. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ 20 bicycles are in stock with Jairaj, means consignee. So there is closing stock. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರಾಮರಾಜ್. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ನ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದೇನೋ ನೋಡುವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಂತ. ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರಾಮರಾಜ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ an entry because we need to prepare Jairaj Limited account in the books of Ramraj, that is lesser. So we need to prepare two accounts, consignment account and consignee's account. In case if there is a sentence like prepare necessary account, then you need to prepare two accounts, consignment, consignee. Sometimes better to prepare one more small account known as goods sent on consignment account. How to prepare it, we will see it later when such situation arises in the problem. But these two accounts we need to prepare in the books of consignor. Now we will read one by one. They have not asked us to prepare in the books of consignee. in the books of Ramraj. Ramraj is less consigner. So we are preparing in the books of consigner, consignment account and consignee account. When they ask us to prepare necessary account, or when they ask us to prepare consignment account and consignee account, have format of both of these accounts. By leaving space for first account, that is consignment account, you need to have a format of consignee account also. Simultaneously you need to do. That's very important. Let me read one by one. Ramraj Limited sent 100 bicycle costing 2,500 each to Jairaj. So goods sent by consignor to consignee. What's the journal entry? Consignment account debtor to goods sent on consignment account 100 into 2,500, 2,50,000. That sentence is over. To be sold at the risk of consignor. That we know, for that there is no journal entry. Jairaj Limited was to get commission at 6% on bicycles sold. So we can calculate commission only after identifying sales effected by Jairaj. Jairaj means consignee. But let me pass an entry. Don't fill amount column. When commission is due, what's the journal entry? Consignment account debtor to Jairaj's account. Consignment account debtor to Jairaj's account. So don't write amount. So in bracket you write commission due. So which and all account get affected? Consignment and Jairaj. So immediately go to Jairaj's account. You write consignment account debtor to Jairaj by consignment in Jairaj's account. But don't fill amount column, because we will come to know about sales only at the end. Not to forget entry for this transaction, we pass entry, we have not filled amount column. So two entries are over. So then Ramraj Limited paid rupees 6,000 towards freight and insurance. Ramraj means consignor. When consignor pays incurs expenses, what's the journal entry? Consignment account debtor to cash account. So only in consignment account, journal entry, consignment account debtor to cash 6,000. In bracket you write what is that? Carriage, not carriage, freight and insurance. Then Jairaj took delivery of consignment by paying 2,000 for carriage and unloading, 4,000 for salesman. Who incurred these expenses? Jairaj. When consignee incurs expenses, in the books of consignor, journal entry is consignment account debtor to consignee's account, Jairaj's account, 2,000 plus 4,000, 6,000. Immediately in the books of consignor, on credit side of Jairaj, by consignment 6,000. We have already passed one entry, we have not filled amount. Particularly here it is there, don't fill now. So with regard to commission due, so we passed one more entry with regard to expenses incurred by consignee. So then what else is there? Jairaj Limited sold 50 bicycle of 2,800 each for cash, 30 bicycle at 300. Whenever sales made by consignee, journal entry is consignee's account debtor to consignment account. Means Jairaj's account debtor to consignment, 50 into 2,800, 30 into 3,000, totally 2,30,000. Immediately in consignor book. In consignor book only we are in. So Jairaj's account debtor to consignment account 2,30,000. It will create impact on consignee account also. So then what else is there? Jairaj settled their account with Ramraj. For that we need to pass entry, because this entry will appear only in consignee account in the books of consign. Before that, before passing entry for this transaction, let me calculate commission. Sales is 2,30,000. So 2,30,000 into 6 by 100, 13,800. We have already passed on debit side of consignment account 13,800. Fill that amount column, and even we passed entry in consignee's account on credit side, fill that amount column 13,800. So now we will move towards this last sentence. Jairaj Limited settled their account with Ramraj. So what is the amount due from Jairaj? That should be calculated. So you need to go to consignee's account. So 2,30,000 was the sales made by consignee. 6,000 was expenses incurred by consignee, 13,800 was commission due. So he need to pay 2,10,200. He settled it through what? Either by paying cash or by paying check or by what is that, accepting bill. But here it is not there. We will consider it as by giving check he settled. So whenever consignee settles the account, journal entry is bank account debtor to consignee account, which is a balancing figure. How much? 2,10,200. So for this we have not passed entry in previous problem, because in previous problem we have not solved consignee's account. Sorry, we have not prepared consignee's account in the books of consignee. Here we are passing the entry, journal entry is bank account debtor to consignment, consignee's account 2,10,200, so that consignee account get closes. We have not yet closed consignment account. See, identify the difference in between this problem and the last problem. In last problem, we closed consignment account by calculating the profit. Here also we are closing consignment account by calculating profit or loss, but we need to pass one more entry which is not there in the problem. For what we need to pass? That's the question to be answered. For what stock? Closing stock. Why? In last problem, 100 bicycles were sent by consignor to consignee. Consignee sold full 100 bicycles. But in this problem, 100 bicycles were sent, only 80 bicycles were sold. That's why there is how much bicycles lies with the consignee? 20 bicycles. So there is closing stock. How to record closing stock in the books of consignor? Journal entry is consignment stock account debtor to consignment account. But before filling the amount column, we need to prepare a note on calculation of closing stock. How to calculate closing stock? That's the question to be answered. When goods are sent at cost price, here goods are sent at cost price, cost of unsold bicycle lies with consignee 20 into 2,500 plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignor plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignee. Try to understand. Is equal to value of closing stock lies with the consignee. Tell me the formula. See, the formula is cost of unsold goods, bicycles here, lies with consignee 20 into 2,500 plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignor plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignee. How to know about it? I have already informed you that whenever you have sentence on expenses incurred by consignor and consignee in the problem, you need to get it clarified whether such expenses are recurring or non-recurring. See, we have already passed an entry. Consignment account debtor to cash 6,000. What is the expenses? Freight and insurance incurred by whom? Incurred by consignor. So you need to check whether freight and insurance is non-recurring or recurring to the consignor. It is non-recurring to the consignor. So this should be taken. Again, Jairaj means consignee also incurred expenses. What and all expenses incurred by consignee? Just see. 4,000 for salesman salary and godown rent and 2,000 for carriage and unloading. So carriage will come, carriage and unloading particularly will come as non-recurring expenses to consignee. Let me have a list of expenses to consignor as well as consignee. Just a minute, you just see here. Recurring expenses, bank charges, discount charges, expenses on goods returned by consignee to the consignor. So again to consignor here, not consignee. Godown rent, insurance charges and advertisement, commission, salesman salary and establishment charges are non-recurring to consignor. What is non-recurring to consignee? Import, custom duty, dog dues, octroi, unloading charges, railway charges, carriage, cottage. Carriage, cottage, railway, unloading, octroi, dock, import and custom duty. You need to by heart it. Try to understand. If you are not in a position to remember, so you need to by heart it. So, what are all the expenses? Just know we checked out. So, 4,000 will not come, but 2,000 as carriage and unloading will come as non-recurring to consignee. Now, before closing consignment account, we need to calculate value of closing stock. lies with the consignee. So cost price 100 minus 80, 20 into 2500, 50 plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignor. Don't write just expenses. So in notes you add non-recurring expenses. So all full 6000 was non-recurring. 6000 he has incurred for 100. What is for 20? When you cross multiply it, will be 1200. Proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignee. Consignee incurred 6000 rupees as expenses, of which 4000 is not non-recurring, only 2000. So that's why 2000 for he received. How many bicycles we sent? 100. He received how many? 100. So 2000 he has incurred for 100 bicycle. How much for 20? When you cross multiply, it will become 400. So totally value of consignment stock will become 51,600. Now we have already passed an entry. Consignment stock account debtor to consignment account 51,600. Now close consignment account by calculating the balance. Check it out whether credit side is more than the debit. In this problem, credit is more than the debit. So there is a profit that should be transferred to profit and loss account 5,800. This is all about second problem. We just compare first problem with the second problem. In first problem, we prepared only consignment account. There was no closing stock. In second problem, we prepared two accounts, consignment account and consignee's account. In consignee's account, try to understand, we came to know that if there is sentence like consignee settles the amount, how to pass an entry. This is the new thing which we studied. And one more new thing which we studied is how to calculate value of closing stock. The formula is if goods are sent at cost price, cost of unsold goods lies with the consignee plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignor plus proportionate non-recurring expenses incurred by consignee. Proportionate means to the extent of unsold goods, what is the cost, because when they are incurring, they will incur for the whole set of goods sent. Consignor will incur for the whole set of goods sent. Consignee will incur for the whole set of goods received. But we need to calculate what is non-recurring expenses only for that unsold goods, which is closing stock. That is what the indication of the term proportionate. So this is all about second problem. Let me move towards third problem also. Sushma consigned 10 bicycle costing 1,500 each to Smita on 1st March 2017, paying 750 as freight, 250 as insurance. Just check it out. Sushma is consignor, whether the freight is non-recurring to consignor, insurance is non-recurring to consignor. Smita accepted a bill. See, for the first time we are seeing this type of sentence. Drawn on her by Sushma for rupees 10,000 on 15th March. So means, Smita here means, who is Smita? Consignee. Consignee gave acceptance to the bill which was sent along with goods. Means, consignee gave advance. This sentence was not there in previous two problems. So then he paid board and rent of 400. So this is the expenses incurred by consignee. Insurance of 250. Expenses incurred by consignee. Unloading charges, again expenses incurred by consignee. He entitled a commission of 5%. So commission is there. Smita sold 8 bicycles. How many bicycles were sent? 10. 8 bicycles. So means 2 are there with Smita as closing stock, and sent a bank draft for the amount to due after deducting their commission expenses and advance. Means he settled, she settled the amount to due by sending a bank draft. So in last two problem there was very simple sentence like consignee settled the amount to due. Here the sentence get enlarged. What it says? Smita sent a bank draft for the amount due after deducting their commission expenses and advance. So it is very clear that consignee settles the amount due. That's the only meaning of that sentence. So, prepare necessary ledger account. See, they asked us necessary ledger account. When there is a sentence like this, you need to prepare 3 accounts. Consignment account, consignee's account, goods sent on consignment account in the books of consignor. You do one thing, I will not explain now how I solve this problem. You do one thing, we have already solved 2 problems. Be honest while doing this. So, based on those 2 problems, at least try to prepare consignment account and consignee's account, not by looking at the answer which was sent, but by looking at the journal entry which was sent to you. Try to understand. Not by looking at the answer, but by looking at journal entries which were sent to you particularly through your group. So we'll discuss in detail about this illustration, particularly in next session. See, you need to concentrate on consignment, theory aspects as well as practical aspects. Try to understand. You need to concentrate. So that's why while reading theoretical aspect, read with 100% concentration. If you read with 100% concentration, so easily you can solve problems on consignment. Initially, we are solving very simple problems, but as the time passes, so definitely we are moving to solve certain complicated problems because we can expect problems on consignment in section A, section B, section C. Theory question in section A, the practical question in section B. Definitely a big problem will be there under section C also. That's why now itself, while listening to a video, try to understand. So you concentrate on each and every sentence. You just associate what I said to the entries which I was sent to you, so that you will remember each and every entries in the books of Consigna, in the books of Consign. In the books of Consign, you will pass in very less entries. Usually, you will get a problem where you need to prepare accounts or past entries in the books of consignor most. Sometimes they ask us to prepare accounts in the books of consignor as well as consign. We will have such problems particularly in next sessions. So we'll see remaining aspects particularly in next session onwards. Try to solve illustration 3 by not looking at answer which was already sent, so that you will learn how to solve problems on consignment. At least you will remember what are the entries to be required to be passed in the books of consignment. That's all. Thank you.